In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select multiple tasks in Asana in list view fastest. First, make sure you're viewing your project in list view. This is the layout where tasks appear in rows with columns like assignee, due date, and tags. You'll see a checkbox or clickable area to the left of each task name. That left edge or the row itself is the best place to click so you don't accidentally open the task details. There are two quick ways to select multiple tasks, depending on whether those tasks are next to each other or scattered throughout your list. Let's start with the fastest method for a block of tasks that sit together. Click once on the first task you want. Now hold the Shift key on your keyboard, and while holding it, click the last task in the range. Instantly, every task in between becomes selected. You'll notice they're highlighted, and a bulk action toolbar appears so you can update several tasks at once. This is perfect when you've sorted or filtered your list and want to grab a clean slice of consecutive rows, like everything due this week or everything under a specific section. If you need to adjust which tasks are included, simply shift-click a different endpoint to redefine the range. Next, if the tasks you need aren't sitting together, use individual selection. On a Mac, hold the Command key. On Windows, hold the Control key. Keep that key held and click each task you want to include. Each click toggles the selection on or off, so you can add a few here, skip a few, and pick another one farther down. This is great when you're cherry-picking tasks across multiple sections or when only certain items match what you want to change. As you select, watch for the selection count and toolbar to confirm you're grabbing the right set. You can also mix both methods to work even faster. Use Shift to grab a big consecutive chunk, then hold Command on Mac or Control on Windows to fine-tune by adding or removing specific tasks. That way, you get the speed of a range plus the precision of individual picks, all without losing your current selection. Once your tasks are highlighted, you're ready to apply bulk updates like changing assignees, due dates, tags, or moving them to a different section. Keep your clicks on the task rows or checkboxes and you'll fly through multi-selecting in no time. That's it, two simple techniques that make managing tasks in Asana's list view significantly faster.